Hello children, good morning everyone. Today we have GA class and English class. Okay, first GA class. So please open General Awareness course book, page number 27. Okay, this page, a better me. Circle the healthy activity in each set. We have to circle healthy activity. In this page they have given 3 set of activities, right? The first picture, the girl is eating breakfast, and in the second picture the girl is eating pizza. So this is one set and this is another one, this is also another one. Okay, so first we'll see the first one. Okay Nana? Okay, circle the healthy activity in each set. In the first picture, the girl is eating breakfast. In her breakfast, idli is there, and omelette, a glass of milk, and one fruit is there. So, in her breakfast, she is having idli, one fruit, a glass of milk, and one egg. Okay? And in the second picture, the girl is eating pizza. So in these two pictures, which one is good one? Which one is healthy activity, children? Eating pizza is healthy, right everyone? Yes? No. Eating pizza is not at all good for our health. Right, Nana? And yes, coming to this picture, the girl is eating idli with an omelette and a glass of milk and fruit. Okay, first we'll see what are the uses of idli. Okay, idlis are very nutritious because we can get so many carbohydrates and proteins from idli, and it can easily digest, Nana. It is easily digestible breakfast. And we can get so many minerals, proteins and carbohydrates we can get from idli. And we can cook these idlis by steam. So here we are not using oil also. So obviously the idli will be very good for our health, right children? And coming to egg. Egg is most nutritious food in the entire world. We can get so much protein in the egg, and if we eat egg daily, we can get so much bone strength and muscle strength. Bone strength and muscle strength we can get when we eat egg daily, and we can also improve our immunity power. Okay, so like this, so many benefits we can get from an egg, and can also use it to get a good hair, and it will be a good hair conditioner, and it will help us to glow our skin also, Nana. Okay, and coming to the milk. Obviously milk is very good for health because we already learned in previous classes what are the benefits we get from milk. Right, Nana? Yes. And compulsory we will drink milk daily. Right? We will drink milk daily 2 times. So we can get so much potassium and so many minerals, so many vitamins and so much of calcium which is need to our body. And the calcium and potassium gives us bone strength, muscle strength. We will be very energetic. When we drink milk, we'll get instant energy, Nana. So we will be very strong. Our muscles and bones will get strong. And it will help us to our skin also, Nana. It will help us to glow our skin also. So we can get like this so many benefits we can get from a glass of milk. Okay, next coming to fruits. Fruits are amazing, Nana. Fruits are really amazing, and we can get so many benefits from fruits, because these fruits are very low in fat. So there is no fat in fruits, and in fruits also we can get so many vitamins and minerals, and especially the fruits are in high rich of fiber. From babies, kids, adults, everybody will like to eat fruits, Nana. And if we eat fruits, we'll get so many minerals, and we also get glorious skin. Okay? And please make a habit to eat a fruit in your daily diet. Okay? Definitely it will helps to maintain a good health. So like this, we can get different vitamins, minerals, fibers, proteins. We can get different vitamins and minerals from different types of fruits. Like bananas, we get different minerals and vitamins. Like guava, like this, we can get different from different fruits. So obviously, a good breakfast contains some like idli, dosa or upma, and we can eat egg, milk, and with a fruit. That breakfast will be definitely healthy, right children? Because from these items we can get different vitamins and minerals and fibers. So these all are very nutritious, right children? We can get so many nutrients from these different types of fruits. So definitely this will be very healthy. Okay? So everybody try to eat like this kind of food daily. Okay? So now coming to pizza. Pizza is good for health, children. Is it health? Is it healthy for our body? No. Why? Can you tell me why? Because one single sliced pizza is loaded with so much fat, so many calories, and too much salt. And this and we also have so many sauces also, Nana. Okay? And these sauces, cheese, salt, and fats are obviously not at all good for health. Right, children? So if we eat this kind of food, our stomach will upset. Okay? So if we get stomach upset, we will get motions, right? So this is not at all good. So please avoid this kind of foods like junk food, pizza, burger, and everything. Like so many people will like to eat chips, and chips also not at all good for health, Nana. They'll add so many things in that chips, which is not good for our health. Okay? Because they'll add different variety of unhealthy items they'll add. Okay? So those kind of food not at all good for our health. Especially children. Please don't eat pizzas, burgers, and chips and everything like junk food. Okay, Nana? And we'll get too much fat. If we add this, if we ate this, we'll get so many calories. Then we'll get fat easily. We will become very fat if we eat this kind of food. So this is not at all good for our health. So please avoid all junk foods, and please try to eat this kind of food, and please maintain a meal with egg, a fruit, and a good breakfast. Okay, children? So now tell me which is good, this one or this one? Yes, obviously this one. So please circle the first picture. Okay? Now coming to next set. Look here, in this set the first picture is, in this picture we can see the children were playing outside with a ball, right? And in this picture the boy is playing video game, right? So you can tell me easily which is good, right? Which is a healthy activity? Which is a healthy activity, children? This one or this one? Obviously this one. Okay? Now I'll tell you why this activity is healthy and how it will help us. Okay, so everybody like to play outside with your friends, right children? Obviously everybody will like to go outside play with their friends, right Nana? Because we can enjoy when we are playing with our friends. We can enjoy so much. Okay, and we can also get so many benefits, Nana. In a physical activity we can get so many benefits, health benefits. Like we can get so much immunity power if we'll play outside. If we do a physical activity, we'll get so much immunity power. We can get so much immunity power, and we will be very fresh, and we can burn our calories. Then we will be very fit, and our body will become very flexible, and our muscles, bones will become more stronger, and our mind also will be very fresh, Nana. When we go outside to play with our friends, our mind also will be very fresh, because we can take very fresh air there, right children? When we go for play outside, we can see so many trees and plants outside, right children? So obviously we can get very fresh air, and our body will get strained when we playing outside. When we are doing an activity, physical activity, our body will get strained. When our body will get strained, we need some food. So after coming from the play, we'll fastly will take a bath, right? Then, Ma, I'm feeling so hungry, give me some food, I just want to eat some food. Like this we can say, right? So time to time you can maintain your meal, and obviously our body will get strained, no? Then we'll get good sleep. So getting good sleep also very good for health. Taking a good sleep is also very important for health, right children? And we can improve so many things, Nana. We can improve so many things if we do a physical activity. We can improve ourselves. Our mind will be fresh. We will be feel very good. And that too we are playing with our friends. Obviously we will enjoy, right? So obviously this is very healthy. Okay. Now we will see why playing video games are not at all good. Okay. And now I will tell you what we get if we play video games. Okay. If we play video games, the child will be very aggressive, and his thoughts also, he will get negative thoughts, he will get negative feelings, he will be very aggressive, he cannot mingle with others, and the children who is playing video games, their eyes also will get strained, and they'll get so many brain problems also. They'll get eyesight, and they'll get some heart problems also they'll get, Nana. Okay, so this is not at all good for our health. So please avoid playing video games. You can play with your parents, you can play with your friends, right children? Because here the person is playing alone. The single person only is playing the video game. So he cannot mingle with others. He cannot share anything with others. So this is not at all good for our health, Nana. So please avoid playing video games. This is not at all good. If we go outside, we can learn so many things. We can enjoy the nature. We can share so many things with our friends. Right children? And we can also get so many health problems also. We can kick out that health problems also, because our mind will be fresh. So we will definitely enjoy when we go out for play when compared to playing video games. This is not at all good. So please avoid playing video games. Okay? So please circle this one. This picture, Nana. Okay. Next, coming to the next set. Here the girl is reading book, right? And here the boy is watching TV very nearly. Okay. Now we will see. Now first tell me which is good, reading books or watching TV very nearly. Which one is good? Which one is healthy activity? Watching TV is a healthy activity, right children? No, that is not at all good. Reading books is a good activity, Nana. Now I will tell you what are the benefits we get when we read a book. Okay? And in this picture the girl is reading Aladdin story book. Do you know Aladdin story, children? We have a movie in Hotstar. Okay? That story is very nice, Nana. Ask your parents to tell that story. You will definitely enjoy that story. Okay? Now, we'll see the uses of when we read a book. Okay? When we are reading books, we can improve our communication skills. We can improve our creative skills, our imagination skills. And we can improve so many things, Nana. And we can know that what is happening in the world around you. Okay, children, we can know that what is happening in the world around you. So, we can learn so many things like this. Our mind will work very fastly. We can learn so many things. Now, when we read books, our memory power will improve. Okay, our memory power will improve. Our communication skills will improve, and we can develop our motor skills, and we can develop our creative skills, and we can improve our memory skills. Like this kind of things we can improve, Nana. And please make a habit to read a book before going to bed, and that will definitely help a child, because I think they'll be more patient also. They'll get more patience. Okay, if they read books, they'll be very patiency. Okay, they'll get more patiency, and they may know so many things. And in books we can have so much of information, right children? From stories or histories, we can learn so many things, Nana. In like Mahabharat, Ramayana. So from these kind of books we can learn so much things, right children? So please try to read a book daily. Ask your parents to give a book. Okay? And so these are the benefits from reading a book daily. Okay? Now coming to this picture already. I told, right children? What are the disadvantages we get when we playing video games? Same like that only, Nana. When we are watching TV and very nearly, our eyes will get definitely strained. We cannot see the objects. We cannot read a book properly. If we get sight, we have to read like this. We have to keep a book very close to our eye, because we cannot see. We cannot see them properly. So, watching TV very nearly is not at all good. And we can get so many health problems, Nana. The child will become more lazy, and he cannot mingle with others. He cannot enjoy. He'll always like to be alone. He cannot enjoy anything, because he'll always into the TV mood only. Okay? And they'll definitely, the children who is watching TV in daily, regularly, they'll definitely get so many health issues. Okay, Nana? Their brain will get very dull. They can't think. Their brain is not at all creative. Okay? They'll not at all good in studies also, Nana. They will become very lazy. They don't know anything. Just they like to watch TV only, because they cannot go outside. They'll not show interest to play with their friends. So this is not at all good for you, Nana. And using mobiles also, some children uses mobiles, right children? And that using mobiles also not good for you, Nana, because same, our eyes will get strained. If our eyes will get strained, we'll get eyesight. If we get eyesight, we have to consult a doctor. There he will suggest you specs. If you wear specs, you cannot see anything without using specs for lifelong. So please avoid watching TV for many hours, Nana. 1 hour, 2 hours are enough. Some children will watch regularly for 7 hours, 8 hours. They'll watch continuously, like phone and TV. So that is not at all good. Our brain will get very dull. We cannot think. We can't be creative. So please avoid mobile phones and TV, Nana. Okay? And parents, I have a request. Please give a story book to your children for this coming Children's Day. Okay? Just make a habit to read a book before going to their bed. It will definitely help your children. I'll tell that. Surely I'll tell that. Because they are very small, I know that. But they'll slowly learn how to read the sentences. And they can learn so much from the books. They can improve their communication skills, motor skills, and memory skills, creative skills, imagination skills. Definitely they'll improve so many things. So please parents, give a story book for the coming Children's Day. Just give them a small story book. That is enough. Just let them try. Definitely they'll get so many benefits. So this is today concept, children. I hope everybody enjoyed this concept. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.